What is generative AI and why it's a game changer for creators in 2025? Hey friends, have you noticed how people are making songs with AI voices, posters with the crazy visuals, and even short films without touching a camera? That magic comes from generative AI. And in 2025, it's turning the creative world upside down. In the next 5 minutes, I will explain in a simple words what generative AI and why it's such a big deal for designers, writers and video creators. Let's get started. Hi, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. What exactly is generative AI? Think of generative AI as a super smart assistant that creates a new stuff instead of only analyzing old data. A traditional AI told you that what is like predicting tomorrow's weather. But generative AI goes one step further. It generates a text, images, music, even video from the scratch. Text models something like a ChatGPT write articles, advertisements, or scripts. Image models like a Midjourney or DALL-E draw artwork from typed prompts. Video models like a Runway ML turns the plain text into the video. Under the hood, they are huge neural networks. Terms like GPT, diffusion or GAN. So trained on billions of examples. But you don't need to know all that science. You just give a prompt and done. So I'm going to share a few real life examples and also I'm going to try to explain why it's a game changer. Quick visuals for designers. Imagine you are a freelance UI UX designer. A client wants a hero section for a travel website by tonight. So instead of spending a lot of hours searching for the stock photos, you can open the Midjourney and type something like sunrise over the Himalayan mountains, vibrant background colors, clean web banner style. That's it. So in 20 seconds, you have the 4 gorgeous options. So you can tweak, add text in Figma and deliver before the dinner. That speed you never ever had before. Content calendar in the minutes. So you run a small jewelry brand on Instagram. So you need a 7 posts for next 1 week timeline. So open ChatGPT, ask something like create a 7-day social media plan promoting handcrafted silver rings. Include captions and hashtag ideas. Boom, 1 minute later you have a ready plan. So you can copy, schedule and done. Saves your hours of brainstorming works. Zero budget video advertisements. A startup can't afford a film crew. So they write a short script in ChatGPT, feed it into the Runway ML and get a 30 seconds animated explainer. So they can able to adding an AI voiceover from 11 labs. Then what is the cost? It should be less than a pizza. Next, music and sound design. Need a background music for your YouTube intro? So AI tools like AIVA or Suno generate the royalty-free tracks that match the vibe you described. So no composer needed. Why 2025 is the perfect time? Quality has exploded. In 2023, models were good. But 2025 models are ultra-sharp 4K, realistic voices, consistent characters. Tools are plug and play. So most run in the web browser itself, no heavy GPU, no coding. The costs are very low, it's keep falling. So many tools have a free tiers or low monthly plans, great for students and freelancers. So nowadays businesses are demanding the speed, brands want the daily content. Generative AI lets solo creators compete with the big agencies. Now the next big question, but will AI replace the creators? The short answer is no. So AI makes the first draft. You bring the taste, strategy and emotion. So think of AI like an electric mixer in the kitchen. You still decide the recipe. The creators who learn to drive these tools will fly ahead of those who ignore them. So come to the conclusion. So friends, that's generative AI in a nutshell and why it's a total game changer in 2025. If you are excited or you may be a little scared, tell me in the comment section. I will reply to as many as I can. So hit the like button if this helped you. Subscribe for more simple tech and design guides. And I will see you soon in the next one. So until then, keep creating, keep exploring. Bye-bye.